Hey, what's up? Are you stuck at home right now and you're trying to find a way how to earn some money in your spare time, even at least $50 or even $100 per day online? Now, I'm going to show you how to make some extra money. So don't try to skip this video. I want you to comment down below right now, extra money in the comment section. So that way I know you watched the full video. So you're going to be the first one to know. Make sure if this is your first time here, I also want to know in the comments as well if this is your first time watching. So just drop your city, drop where you're watching this from, so that way I can know. Now on this channel, I talk about how to make money online and just multiple ways of crushing it. So this is going to be a very unique way. You're not going to need any money for this particular method that I'm going to share with you. So again, watch this video all the way into the end. So we're going to dive into the video right now. Let's get it. Hey, what's up? My name is Andre, and if you just arrived at my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. If you've been watching my videos over and over again and you're trying the methods and they're working for you, I highly recommend you keep watching so that way you're going to be the first one to know. So this is my YouTube channel. I would love if you give this video a like so that way other people can see it, and also share it on your different social media platforms as well, so more people who are in this type of situation are looking for a way to make some money online or some extra cash to put into their pocket, they can see this video and this will be greatly appreciated, and I can make more of these great videos. So what are we going to be doing now? If you don't know by now, I'm going to show you how you could do 3 easy steps where you can sell anything on this particular website. So all you have to do is just list the product, they're going to ship it, and you're also going to be earning cash. But the product that I'm going to share with you, you don't physically have to buy anything. You don't need any money to do this. I'm going to show you where you could go, how you can find products to sell right away, and what people already are looking for. So if you don't know this website, of course, you must be living under a rock. And this website is called eBay. So I'm just going to get off camera for a little bit so I can see the entire screen. So eBay is a great platform. Most of you probably know by now. If you could sign up for eBay, you can get started right now and you can sell products on here. Now, I'm just going to go over to the main hub, and you can see there's various different places. There's motos, there's fashion, electronics, home and garden, collectibles, sporting goods, anything that you can find or anything that your heart is desire is on here. They sell, like, this look like it's like a, I don't know if that's a coffee machine, or this looks like it's a um fry um fryer. It looks like it's a fryer. There's shoes on here, and there's multiple things. So once you come on eBay, all you have to do is to sign up. You just come on down here where it says to sell. You can go how to sell and read up more about it. If you want to be an affiliate for them as well, you could do that. But this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how to make some extra cash on the side and how you can make some money in your spare time. So click on where it says start selling. And once you click on the start selling, you can see right here, over 182 million shoppers want your stuff to buy. There's unlimited amount of traffic on here, and people, again, are looking to start, and with their credit card, they're just waiting. People sell secondhand stuff on here. People buy stuff in stores, but as I said, you don't need any money to do this. So you can click on here where it says learn more, or you could scroll down here and you can see what are some of the things that people are selling, so you can get started right away. So right here, you click on the Learn More tab. And once you click on the Learn More tab, you could start by using the Seller Hub. So this is what it looks like. It's going to track everything. So you can click on this, and all you have to do is put in your username and everything. And once you sign up, they're going to send you an email notification. So that way you have to confirm it. I know this may work in some countries and maybe it doesn't, but it's the same method. Just come through here, and once you sign up, then you're going to be ready to go. So what we're going to be selling, we're going to be selling on eBay products that people are looking for. So it's something that you don't have to ship, and people can get it right away. So what we're going to do, we're going to head on over to Google, and we go to google.com, and you want to type in resell rights. So resell rights, and this means that we can find free private labeled products. So free private labeled products that already free. It's not copyrighted. They already give you permission to resell it. So I know some of you will say, but what about copywriting? What about this? What about copywriting strike? It's a free reseller's right. So you could do that. So click on here at the first one, reseller-rights-weekly.com. Okay. So once you click on it, it's just going to take you over here. So you could discover the total free membership that gives you hundreds of dollars worth of hot selling private labels and resale rights. So the guy who owns this particular website, his name is Mark, and loads of people come on here and they put up different products for you to sell. And this is all selling digital products because that's what we're looking for, is something that is ready to go. Now you could scroll down here, you can read up, you can see all the different testimonials, the reviews that people are giving. And once you scroll all the way down to the bottom down here, you will see getting traffic to the website, all that exciting stuff that you can read up about. There's different private labels on here. There's acupuncture, there's affiliate marketing, there's air filters, there's air travel, there's you name it, you could find something on here. So you can pick whatever niche that you want to go in. And when you sign up, you want to come down here and you want to sign up for a free membership. So you just click on this. And then once you click on the free membership, you will see where it says, yes, give me access to the free membership. Now, there is free, there is the free one, these are our PLR products, there's free, and there's gold membership. So you want to sign up for the free one. Of course, the free one is not going to give you as much resources as gold. So if you have a little bit of spare money and you want to sign up for this, hey, go for it. I highly recommend it. But go for the free if you just want to see what it's like first before you do any payment. So put in your first name, last name, of course, your email address, confirm. You're going to go to your email and then you're going to confirm it. So once you do that, then it's going to be time for you to log in. Now you could go straight from your email to the login section, or you can come down right here at the bottom where it says members login. Click on here and it's going to take you over to the login section. Now all you have to do is click on this and then you log in. Once you log in, after you log in, then you're going to come down here and you will see where all the resources that you have at your fingertips that you can use, and we're going to upload and we're going to sell. Now, once you log in, he's going to take you to his $1 menu trial the very first time you log in. If you want to sign up for the $1, hey, if you got $1 to spend, go for it. But if you don't have any money, then you want to log out and then log back in, or you scroll down at the bottom down here and log in again. Now here is where all the free resources, free member downloads. So if you're a gold member, these are all the resources that you can get. So as I said, gold members get more things for you to download. So after a while, you can start for free, make a little bit of money, and then you upgrade because you want to get the new stuff. You want to be ahead of the game and you don't want to have something that is outdated and whatnot. So if you come here, you have June, you got May. These are all new resources. You got all the way back to, oh my goodness, since 2007. Resellers right. So you come on here, you can click on June or you can click on May. So I can click on May. And then if you look onto the website, you will see homeschooling instant mobile video, a rateable bowel syndrome. There's power of attorney. There's coaching Q&A. It comes with master reseller right. So this is a coaching Q&A. Not sure about what coaching Q&A is for. When you use the third-party sites to sell this, you can resell. This is using blogs to bridge your website. So you can go on that. There's using forgotten MySpace and YouTube promotions. So if you want to go back and you want to go to April, now you can see Believe in Your Vision. This is a book headline, looking for ways to live your dream, discover how to manifest all that stuff, and tips and traps of email marketing, automated email funnel, CNN woodworking. Now, this is a woodworking that you can click on here. You can click on the sales page, comes with a sales page. You can look at the woodwork and you can see, the sales page. Of course, the sales page is not going to be as good looking, but if you click on here, see what the site look like. So you can see what the site looks like. So this looks good. I'm telling you, this right here, it looks good. This is missing, I'm not sure exactly why, but you can see that this particular website, you can connect your information here. This is all woodworking. If you click on this, you will see the video here, 2-minute video. So you're gonna put your ad here, you're gonna put your text here, you're gonna put everything. I'm seeing CNC woodworking books, CNC woodworking tools. You come down here, there's more information. So remember, these are reseller rights. You can click on here. Likewise, click on this 5-minute video.
Hello. Welcome back to another legacy video.
Right?
My name.
So there you go. So that's a legacy video. There's CNN working tools. Then it goes over to Amazon. So it goes to Amazon. But once you have the reseller rights, you can do whatever. There's the books. It lands right over here to the reseller's book. All right. So the optional button above to link to Amazon using your affiliate link. So they do all this. You'll have ways how you can plug in all this information. So I hope you're with me so far. So that's how cool it is that you can get this website. You can set it up how you want it. Now, once you do that, right, what you could do is you can give away this book. So let's say if you want to give away this woodworking website, for example, where they can click to download, or you want to do like the automated email, you want to do that. So you want to go over to eBay. So when you go to eBay and you type in ebook, after you create your account and everything, there's people that are already selling this book. Like right here. This is a PDF. People are selling for 99. These, I can tell, these are people who probably bought this book, because this book is Dean Graziosi. I got it for free. And the reason I got it for free is because I went to one of his conferences and I got it for free. And this, if you go on Amazon, it's probably like 19 or something dollars, or probably, less than 20, you can get it. So Law of Attraction, this person is selling it, over 155 of them sold. Law of Attraction Bible, right? There's like $1.99, 99 cents. And think about it for a second. And I want you to think about it. If you sell one of these for $2, one of these books for $2, so $2 times 155, that's $310. This person made $310 just by uploading this once, and people just buy it. Likewise here, all you have to do is just put it up there. There's going to be people searching for these things, and you're gonna make money over and over again, because there, as you can see, there's over 182 million people looking to buy what you're trying to sell here on eBay. So that's all you have to do. Just set it up. You can make some extra money just by doing this. You can make extra money in your spare time. So I hope this video helps. All you got to do is just figure out how you're going to put that book uploaded on here. I didn't want to do login. I didn't want to take too much of your time to do that. So check out the next video that's coming up, how you can easily earn $100 per day online in your spare time just by watching the next video. So thank you so much. You're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description, and I'll send you over my #1 recommendation. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.